it's Nat and it's Emi. It's college football season, and you know what that means. It's time to bake some cookies! You know we love baking and eating cookies as we watch our favorite team, the defending national champs, the UCF Knights, as they charge on to another victory. Some of our favorite cookies to make are UCF cookies. You may remember last year we were inspired by our friend Adrian Killens, aka Bake, aka Cheese and Bread. And of course we made cheese and bread cookies. Those cookies were really good. And like Adrian, they got really fast. And we know one UCF Knight who really enjoyed them.
They look very good though, they look delicious, and I want to get one right now.
So for this season, we decided to make a cookie in honor of UCF's very own Heisman candidate, the prolific passer from the Pacific, number 10, McKenzie Milton. McKenzie is an absolute magician with the football in his hands. Yeah, Nat, last year he threw for more touchdowns than fake championships claimed by Alabama. And that's a lot. Because McKenzie is from Hawaii, we decided to give his Heisman cookie a little extra Hawaiian flair. So we decided to make a white chocolate coconut coffee macadamia nut cookie. Here are the ingredients you need to make this Heisman-worthy cookie. Okay, Emi, pass me that pigskin and let's get baking. You take the ball. I'll take the bacon. Okay, gang, that's it. We hope you enjoyed this Heisman cookie recipe as much as we enjoy watching McKenzie Milton throw another touchdown. Go Knights and charge on!